With these frigid temperatures on the way, the Tennessee Poison Control wants to make sure everyone knows how to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning.
Carbon monoxide, or CO2, is a byproduct of incomplete fuel burning. The gas is odorless and colorless, and it's considered one of the top causes of accidental poisoning deaths in the U.S. CO poisoning is especially relevant during the winter because more people are using supplemental heating devices like space heaters, furnaces, and generators. If you do lose power, be mindful of where you place those space heaters.
The number one thing is do not run a generator in the house. People will want to do it because it's cold outside, but you have to get the generator out. You need 25 feet away from the home and point the vent away from windows and doors of the house so the exhaust does not get inside.
These are the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. Experts say they can mimic the flu. But a big indicator of carbon monoxide poisoning is when multiple people in the home are sick at the same time. Another clue is if the pets are sick as well. If you suspect CO poisoning, get out of the house, get medical help, and call the fire department.
And make sure you have a way to get notified. Visit WKRN.com for the latest forecast. You can also download the free News 2 weather app for alerts that are sent right to your phone regarding this storm and any weather in the future.